Meow meow, YouTubers. Oh, I still haven't got to the bottom of what is going on with this stupid piece of shit GoPro. So, let's see if I can get more than 37 seconds out of a recording. Because for some reason, it just keeps switching itself off. One of my new enduro mates. Jesus, can you actually hear me speaking, or can you just hear these fucking wankers? Stupid fucking morons. 125 scooters with fucking great big megaphone pipes on them. It's the sort of thing I fucking thought was cool when I was like 6 years old. Completely forgot where I was now. Oh yeah, so I got a guy who's pretty good at firing down lanes, and we made some pretty good video, except for the fact that none of it would record. But he's going back to Oz soon, so we're going to try and squeeze off a few more rides before he goes. And I noticed the other day I was having trouble with my fingers getting trapped. Yeah, put that. My fingers were getting trapped on the end of the lever protectors. And I thought, well, I've never had that problem before, ever. What's going on? And then I sussed it out. It's because I've thrown this thing down so many times, I've bent these hand protectors in. So they are doing their job. But now it's time to get the old beast out and do a bit of maintenance on it. So, Mr. Shitbucket, out you come. I don't know, I've got no idea if I'm still recording or not. This has gone past 37 seconds and there's something going on. And then, the bright-eyed amongst you might notice something going on there as well. The escort has moved. Oh, we're not parked there, she won't be able to get her scooter out. Let's park this just here for now then. Yeah, so I've jet washed the floor down. And tomorrow's mission is we're going to attempt to get some colour on, even though it's absolutely awful lighting in here. I've gone past the point of caring anymore. I'm just going to whack some paint on there. If it's shit, it's shit. I can't get a decent price for it anyway. Nobody here's spending any money. Everybody wants everything for free. It's unbelievable. I only want £5 for that beast over there. No interest whatsoever. Can't understand it. There's people asking double that kind of money for pieces of shit that can't even make it to the end of the road, and that thing you can drive it all over Thailand. But there you go. So yeah, a bit of colour tomorrow. Change the oil in the ski, so he's ready to go. But I can't get it out now, so that's going to have to wait. So we'll colour the doors up tomorrow. And oh dear, can't see any of the mountains at all over there. That's how bad the air is at the moment. Doesn't actually smell bad, just don't look very nice. Well, I suppose I better do some maintenance on this thing. Oh, he's picking up quite a few battle scars now. Alright, let's go and see if this poxy video... Well actually, if this proxy video is still recording, then why is it shutting off when I ride? Something wrong, maybe it's got a bloody... I don't know if I jump up and down or something. Are we still recording? Because that's the only difference between me using it static and using it when I'm on the bike, is I hit a few bumps. Who knows? Let's go have a look inside. You got a thing. You got a thing about sitting on motorbike seats, haven't you? Eh? And falling off them. You fell off one last night, didn't you? I saw you strutting out trying to look all hard. Well, it wasn't me, I never fell off. I can see a flea on his neck glove. He's just moved his head now because he knows I can see it. Oh well. What are you giving me that look for? I'm the one who buys your food. Yeah, you. Later then.